Hi guys, your girl is back with another interesting video I know you are going to love to watch. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this tiger nut drink at home. So keep watching. So this is what I'm going to be using for this drink. I have coconut here with me. I've already chopped the coconut into smaller sizes just to protect my blender from getting spoiled. At the same time, I've taken up the seed on the dates to prevent my blender from getting spoiled. And then the tiger nut itself, I've already washed it neatly. You can use a dry one, you can use a fresh one. So if you're using a dry one, soak it in the water. And then I have here banana with me. So I'm going to be blending them all together. So guys, keep watching. Let's proceed. Next, I have my blender here. I'm going to turn the tiger nut into the blender, and then I'm going to be adding my coconut. So guys, remember, if your blender is not that strong, try to blend it bit by bit so that we'll buy a new blender. So next, I'll be adding the dates, and then lastly, I'm going to be adding the banana. Then I'm going to be adding warm water. The reason why I'm using warm water is because of the coconut. As you all know, that coconut contains oil. So I'm using warm water just to get all the vitamin from the coconut. Then I'm just going to close it up and then blend it very smoothly. Growing up as a little girl, I never knew you can make milk out of tiger nut seed. And back then, we used to buy this tiger nut seed with the Hausa people, and then we call it Hausa kernel because it's the Hausas that are selling it. I only came to find out that the name is not Hausa kernel but tiger nut. So once I'm done blending it, next I'm just going to sieve it with my sieve. You can use your filter, whichever one you have, just to separate the chaff and the milk. So I'll just pour it into the sieve and then squeeze the milk out of it. That is it. Tiger nut contain a lot of health benefit which a lot of people don't know about. Tiger nut contain vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, help prevent infection and promote wound healing. Tiger nut also contain vitamin D, vitamin E, which is very good for your body. Tiger nut milk is good for breastfeeding mothers, more especially if your breast milk is not coming out the way you want it. Tiger nut can also help improve your blood sugar. This can help keep your blood sugar level in a healthy range. So guys, as you can see, I'm just squeezing the water out of the chaff, separating the water and the chaff. Once I'm done squeezing it out, this is how the chaff look. So this chaff can be given to a chicken as well. Guys, this is how the water look. Next, I'm just going to transfer it into the jar, and then that is it. Your tiger nut milk is ready. Alright guys, this is how tiger nut milk is made. This milk really tastes delicious. This is one of the best things I have tested this year so far. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. See you all on my next one. Bye.